Right, students, with this series of videos, we will discuss some of the questions relating to grade 11 English medium commerce, as well as some of the questions relating to grade 10 English medium commerce. So today, under that, we will discuss some of the questions relating to grade 11 exam. Right, in this paper, I have included 10 MCQ questions. In this paper, I have included 10 MCQ questions, including one second paper question. Right, and if someone wants to get the soft copy of this paper, you can send me a message to this number. You can send me a WhatsApp message to this number, and you need to send me this paper code. This is a paper code, grade 11, paper 1, YouTube. Then I can send you the soft copy of this paper. Right, we will start the paper. Right, then here, right, students, look at the question number 1. Look at the question number 1. What is the answer which shows a characteristic and advantage of a sole proprietorship business organization? Okay, characteristic, and then one of the advantage. One of the advantage here, being easy to start. All profit belongs to the owner. Having continuity, independent decision making. Third one, not being compulsory registered. Liability of the owner is limited. Fourth one, profit or loss to be borne alone, ability to use own skills at the best. What would be the possible answer here? First one should be the should be a characteristic. Other one should be an advantage. What is the possible answer here? Fourth one is answer profit or losses to be borne alone, ability to use own skills at the best. Fourth one is answer. Right. Right. Look at the question number 2. What is the act relevant to starting and registering a sole proprietorship business? Companies Act number 7 of 2007, Business Name Ordinance number 6 of 1918, Partnership Ordinance 1890, Cooperative Societies Act number 5 of 1972. What's the answer? Relevant act to register a sole proprietorship business organization? Business Name Ordinance number 6 of 1980. This law is applicable for the partnership businesses as well. Right. Look at the question number 3. Look at the question number 3. What is the factors of production? What is the factors of production? The characteristics such as creativity of the owner and not hesitate to take the risk like factors belongs to some of the characteristics of an entrepreneur. Then what's the answer? Answer is third one, entrepreneurship. Third one is the answer. Right. Look at the fourth one. The main reason which goes to carrying out some businesses under the public ownership. Some of the business organizations are conducting under the public ownership, under the government ownership. Then the reason here, earning foreign exchange, easy to take decisions, easy to manage, providing socially important services. What's the answer? Providing socially important services. Fourth one is answer. Right. Look at the fifth one. Look at the fifth one. What is a characteristic which can be seen in wholesale trade and which can't be seen in retail trade? Selling goods on credit, giving trade discounts, having various types of goods, introducing new goods. You can see differences between wholesale and retail trade in grade 11 textbook. In page number 5, you can see differences. Okay, look at the page number 5 in your textbook. Differences between retail trade and wholesale trade. Then here, answer is what? Answer is second one, giving trade discount. Second one is answer. Second one is answer. Right. Look at the question number 6. Look at the question number 6. Select the correct statement regarding the crossing a check. Drawing two parallel lines on the face of the check is called special crossing. No. False. Crossing can be done by the drawer only. No, anyone can cross a check. Transferee has ownership more than the transferor has in a cross check. No, wrong. That is wrong. Fourth one, a cross check cannot be encashed over the counter. Yes, fourth one is answer. Fourth one is answer. Right. Look at the question number 7. Railway stations are being constructed in several places as a result of the extensions of railway from Matara for the convenience of passengers. Extension of railway stations. What is the element of transportation system belongs to construction of new railway stations? Here, constructing new railway stations belongs to terminal. Terminal. Right. Look at the question number 8. Manjula has insured his life in an insurance company. However, it is revealed that one of the insurance principle has been violated by Manjula when claimed for damages. Therefore, he can't compensate. What is the correct insurance principle regarding this? Insurance company reject to pay compensation. Indemnity principle is not applied for the life insurance. Insurable interest, utmost good faith, contribution. What would be the possible answer here? Utmost good faith. Utmost good faith. Under utmost good faith, we need to disclose all the information. We need to disclose all the information. Utmost good faith. Right. Then third one is answer. Third one. Right. Look at the question number 9. Look at the question number 9. Which is not a variable of marketing mix. What are the items belongs to marketing mix? Product, price, place, promotion. Then here, type. Type. Not a variable in marketing mix, then type. Fourth one. Look at the question number 10. Which is not an importance of property insurance. Which is not an importance of property insurance. Facilitate to conduct business operations continuously. Okay, correct. Being a source of saving investment. Supports in domestic trade activities. Okay, right. Businesses are covered from financial losses. Then what's the answer? Second one, being a source of saving investment. Now, my property insurance is not an method of saving money. Second one is answer. But life insurance is some kind of saving, some kind of investment. Okay, second one is answer. Right. Now we can move into part 2. Second paper, first question. Second paper, first question. Look at the paper. Right here. After finishing the school education, Sahas joined to a bag production and selling company as an employee. Later, he wanted to start his own business by investing his money. So he has started his business with selling school bags close to a famous school in the city. He opened his business on 1st January 2024 and named the business as Sahas Bag Center. The following balances are available at 1st January 2024. Cash, furniture, motor vehicle. A bank loan 400,000 has been obtained by the business on 5th January. Following transaction occurred in the month of January. And then the business is very successful. The business is very successful because it is close to the school. Later, Amal joined as a partner on 20th January 2024. The business depreciate motor vehicle annually at 10% on straight line method. Name of the business has not been changed. There is no any other bag selling business near the school. This is the given case. And then look at the first question here. Look at the first question. What is the type of business? Sahas Bag Center, which is started by Sahas at 1st January 2024 belongs to in the above case. Here, type of business is sole proprietorship. It is better to write down sole proprietorship, private sector. Okay, private sector, sole proprietorship business. Here, type of business organization is sole proprietorship. Students, we have discussed some of the methods of classifying business organization. Here, based on objective, we can classify business organization. Based on objective, profit oriented, non-profit oriented. Based on ownership, we can classify business, private sector and public sector business organization. Based on scale, we can classify business organization. Based on scale, we can classify small and medium scale and large scale businesses. Based on the type of business, we can classify business organization. Sole proprietorship, partnership, company, cooperative societies, government department, government corporations, government companies, state companies, like that. Likewise, based on the type of business organization, we can classify business. And then, based on the nature of the product, we can classify business. Based on the nature of the product, how to classify commodity manufacturing business and service providing business organizations. These are some of the methods available for us to classify a business organization. Okay, for O-level students. Right. Then, look at the question number B here. What is the type of business emerged after Amal joined to the business? After joining Amal, it became a partnership business organization. Right. Problem number 2, part A. What are the opportunities available for Sahas Back Center? What are the opportunities available here? Here, what are the opportunities? Some of the opportunities of the business. Here you can see the business is situated close to a famous school. Here, close to a famous school. Close to a famous school. One of the opportunities. Opportunities coming from the external environment. Here, close to a famous school. The business is located in a close to a famous school. Okay, one of the opportunity, good opportunity. And then here you can see another one, another opportunity. There is no any other bag selling businesses near the school. Another opportunity. There is no any other bag selling business near the school. Here you need to write down some of the opportunities available for the business. Right. Problem number 2, part B. Write 2 advantages of the business organization emerge after Amal joined. Here, advantages of partnership business organizations. What are the advantages? You can go to grade 10 textbook. In the grade 10 textbook, you can see advantages of partnership business organizations. What are the advantages? Convenience to commence, can raise more capital, can utilize different skills of partners, shared liability among others, partners can take collective decisions. Some of the advantages. And then look at the next question. Roman number 3. Should Sahas Bag Center be registered? Yes. Here, owners are using another name without using their full name. Therefore, they need to register that name in the relevant divisional secretary office. If so, what is the relevant act? What is the relevant act? Business Name Ordinance number 6 of 1980. That is a law related to registering a sole proprietorship business. Business Name Ordinance number 6 of 1980. Right. Look at the Roman number 4. If this business intend to do transaction through checks, what is the bank account that should be open? What's the bank account? Bank account is a current account. You need to open a current account. B, in what kind of bank the type of bank account can be opened? What type of bank? Commercial bank. In a commercial bank, you can open a current account. Commercial bank. Then what are the examples for commercial banks? Bank of Ceylon, People's Bank, HNB, Sampath Bank, okay, DFCC Bank, Ceylon Bank, commercial banks in Sri Lanka. Right. Look at the Roman number 5. Look at the Roman number 5A. What is the value of total assets available of the business as at 1st January 2024? What is the value of total assets? Here, total assets how much? Roman number 5. Roman number 5A. Value of total assets. A. Value of total assets. 1st January. Cash 800,000. Furniture 100,000. Motor vehicle 600,000. How much? 1,500,000. 1,500,000. Right. 1,500,000 value of assets. Right. Problem number 5, part B. Classify those assets under current and non-current. Classify those assets under current and non-current. Here, part B are cash, current assets. Non-current, furniture and motor vehicle. Furniture and motor vehicle, non-current. Furniture and motor vehicle, non-current assets. Okay, furniture, motor vehicle, non-current assets. Right. Right. Then Roman number 5, okay. Right. Look at the Roman number 6. Look at the Roman number 6. Look at the Roman number 6 here. What are the other sources available to supply money for the success of the business? Students, other source of supply of other source of money. Other source of money, yeah. Getting cash from family members. Getting cash from family members. Other source of money. Other source of money. Selling personal properties. Selling personal properties and investing in the business. Selling personal properties and investing in the business, and then delaying payment to suppliers. Delaying payment to suppliers, some of the sources. And some of the business can sell their fixed assets. Okay, part of the fixed asset can be sold. Okay, some of the sources of finance. Okay, and then collecting money from debtors after allowing discounts, some of the sources. Some of the sources. Getting government incentives, government loans, some of the sources. Getting government incentives, government loans. Okay, right. Right. Look at the Roman number 7. If decided to recruit 2 employees for the business SaaS back center, what is the function of management that task belongs to? Decided to recruit 2 employees. Here, decided to recruit 2 employees. Then, is it planning or organizing? Decided to recruit 2 employees. Decided. Then belongs to what? Belongs to planning. Belongs to planning. Here, decided. Decided. They haven't recruited. Here, they decided to recruit 2 employees. Then better to categorize that one under planning. Decided. Plan. A plan. This is a plan. This is a plan. Okay, now decided. Right. Then plan. Problem number 8. Calculate the cash balance. To calculate the cash balance, you can draw a cash book. T format cash book. Cash book. Here, calculate the cash balance. Here, Sahas invested capital 800. Draw a small cash book. And then obtain a bank loan. Cash inflow debit. Bank loan 400,000. Bank loan 400,000. Receiving cash inflow. Inflow debit, outflow credit. And then purchase school bags, purchases. Purchases 100,000. Purchases 100,000. Back sales 150,000. Sales. Back sales 150,000. Building rent 15,000. Rent. Carriage inward 3,000. Right. Finished. Right. There is no any other adjustment. Then you can calculate the closing cash balance of the business. Closing cash balance of the business 1,350,000. 1,350,000. And the remaining cash balance. Remaining cash balance. You have the cash balance. 1,232. 1,232,000. Balance carried down. Balance brought forward. Cash balance of the business 1,232,000. Yes, 1,232,000 available cash balance of the business. Right. Next question. Write the correct double entry with values of obtaining a bank loan. Here, correct double entry of obtaining bank loan. Cash book debit. How much? Cash book debit 400,000. Bank loan account. Bank loan account credit 400,000. Double entry for the obtaining bank. Double entry for the obtaining bank. Right. Question number 10. Problem number 10 here. Calculate the profit of the business for the month of January. For the month of January. Students, for the second paper, first question, most of the time examiner provide information details for a month, for a specific month. Therefore, you need to prepare income statement. Okay, you need to prepare simple income statement for a month. Then depreciation you need to calculate for a specific for that month. Bank loan interest also you need to calculate only for that month. Okay, then relevant expense for that period, for that month should be recorded. Relevant income for that period should be recorded in that income statement. Please focus on the time period. Most of the time examiner provide second paper first question for a specific month. Right. Then not in the structured format. Not in the structured format. Just draw a simple income statement. Already we have discussed simple income statement format. Right. Income minus expenses. Here, look at the transactions. Purchases school bags. Here purchases expenses. Purchases 100,000. Purchases. Bag sales. Sales. Sales income of the business 150,000. Sales. Building rent 15,000. Rent. Rent 15,000. Expense. Carriage inward also another expense. Carriage inward also another expense of the business. Not only that. Here, the business depreciate motor vehicle annually at 10% on straight line method. You need to calculate depreciation for the period. Then need to record depreciation and the expenses for a month. Here, motor vehicle 600,000. Motor vehicle 600,000. 600,000 into 10%. Then you can calculate annual depreciation. But here, you need to prepare income statement for the month of January. Then 1/12. Depreciation for the month of January. For the month of January. Then depreciation 5,000. Depreciation motor vehicle, how much? 5,000. Right, finish. Yes, right. Now you can calculate the profit or loss of the business. 150,000. And then total expenses, how much? Total expenses of the business, total expenses, 123,000. And then profit of the business, 25,000, 27,000 profit. Net profit, 27. Right. Net profit, 27,000. By the students, that is the end of paper 1 related to grade level. Then again we will meet with another paper, with paper 2. Okay, right. Thank you for watching.